Hello, my name's Freddie and this is my first attempt at starting a 3D printing YouTube channel. Today I'm going to print Yang's ember celica from the Roosterteeth show RWBY, or RWBY, but you can probably tell that from the title of this video. I decided to print this model because I have already done it once. Here it is. And because I just ordered a new filament from Amazon, link in the description. It is MG Chemicals Gold. It's quite cheap. Here you are. Here is something I made in it earlier. It is a large D20 model. However, somehow I managed to cock this up as well, because I also printed this, which is why you should always pay attention to scaling. Anyway, if all goes well, you're about to see a time-lapse of the print of the first part of it, or possibly all parts of it. I don't really know how long the time-lapse is. I haven't actually worked that out yet. Hello and welcome back. Hopefully, provided all has gone well, you will just have watched the time lapse and I will have printed this piece number 1 as I have referred to it. Next I'll be obviously printing piece number 2. That will be the slider mechanism, which will slide atop here, which we can see on this piece as being this bit here. It's a bit junky, to be honest. There we are. Focus on me, please. Thank you. Okay, so cue the time lapse. Hello! If all has gone to plan, you will just have watched the time-lapse in which I will have printed these two slider pieces. They have these two little blocks that are not some kind of clever assembly mechanism. I just have them so I can line the two pieces up. I would have liked to have perhaps thought it through a little bit more and have some kind of a system that goes through with a little pin, perhaps, but unfortunately that would have obscured the actual slider mechanism. So now we're on to printing the final piece, which you can see on this original model is the gun barrel section. The gun barrel section with the little shotgun attachment. I've actually modified my STL file so that you don't get this big section here, so you could perhaps get a hand through it. Welcome back. You'll just have watched the last of the time lapses and I've done the final 3D printed piece. You can see that this one is at a much steeper angle. Not steeper angle, it's got more of a curve to it than the original, which makes it fit an awful lot better to this main body section. If I can just get that in shot. Yeah. Next we come to assembly. I've actually sanded the bottoms of all the pieces and tried my level best to take off any bits around the edge of the bottom layer. I will admit I did actually do that on camera, but unfortunately I got the pieces framed so poorly that it just wasn't worth watching. And there we have it, one fully 3D printed ember celica with a moving slider. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any suggestions of what I should 3D print next, please leave it in the comments. Please do subscribe. I currently have 0 subscribers as of the time of filming this, so I would love to have more than that. Goodbye!